beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. We love visitors. So in this video, I'm going to take you through my Saturday mornings, and this is what I normally do every other Saturday. I normally do a lot of homemaking on Saturday. Yeah, or rather my Saturdays are usually very productive. So I'm going to take you through the day, and maybe you will get some motivation here and there. So the first thing I normally do is laundry, and of course this is after breakfast. Yeah. Every Saturday for me is rather a general cleaning day, and I prefer deep cleaning every corners of the house. But in this one, I'm not going to exactly do that because I was visiting a friend in the afternoon, and for that reason, I was not able to do any deep clean, but I just touched on the areas I love clean, and you are going to see it. Maybe you can comment below, and especially those who are working moms, when do you do your deep cleans, or do you do them after work? Do you do them on Saturday? Maybe you can comment below which is your most preferred time. For me, Saturday is my most preferred time, and for that reasons in the afternoons I normally rest. Sometimes I usually even switch off my phone to just have some time for myself. And on Sunday is a fully resting day for me. I don't get out of the house, by the way. Sunday for me is just family time. Yeah, I just prefer being alone. I don't even, I like visiting people on Sundays. Yeah, I just prefer just having the day by myself and by my family. So that was it with the cleaning, and I just hung the clothes off camera, and the sun was really sunning, so the clothes by evening they were already dry. Yeah, so back to the kitchen, and I had not cleaned utensils the previous night. That was on Friday, so I had to do it early in the morning. And Yeah, guys, you know me, I don't really force myself to do anything. If I am tired, that's it. I will just leave everything as it is. So let's take care of the kitchen, after which we will also take care of the living room.
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. And we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I'm in a tropic club.
For all those who are new here, in this channel, you are going to find a lot of cleaning content, a lot of homemaking content, a little bit of cooking, and of course, anything around home for us is content. So those are some of what you're going to find here. So if that is the content that you love, make sure you hit the notification bell and give me a subscription. Yeah, guys, and you are going to definitely enjoy. So for the cooker, I just use some soap and water. My cleaning items are out of stock, should I say are over, and I have not yet gone to buy them yet. I normally use the Magni kitchen cleaner to just clean my cooker, and I didn't have it. So in the time being, with this stuff economy, we can only use what we have. For me, it's not that big necessity because it still gets clean. But when I get the money, I'm going to add on my cleaning products because most of them are over.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
That was the turnout of the kitchen, and I of course took care of the floors. Yeah, guys, and it was just sparkling clean. The next place I took care of was the living room, and I started off by folding some clothes that I had unhanged in the morning before I hanged the rest. Yeah, guys, and most of these clothes were for hanging, so I didn't do any thorough folding. Yeah, I just needed to just clear up the space in the living room so that it will be very easy for me to clean. I didn't do a deep clean, yeah, guys, because the house was not very dirty because I had taken care of it the previous days. So I just swept off the carpet and wiped a stain that was on the couch, and that was it with the living room. I hope you are still gathering some motivation, guys. homemaking is just a full-time job for every mother, and especially those who do not have the house managers. I hope you are collecting some motivation. We manage it. I don't have a house manager and I work, and I can't complain, though sometimes I really get tired, but I can't complain.
You keep stalling, I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling.
So that was the turnout of the living room. And guys, I had mentioned that in the afternoon I was going to see a friend, and I decided to just leave when I've prepared some chapatis for dinner, because I was not sure when I will return. Yeah, so I prepared some few chapatis so that we will have them for dinner, and when I was back in the evening I will just make the stew. That will be very, very easy for me. Yeah.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
I just decided to use the simplest method to make my chapatis. I did not make the soft layered ones. I just used the normal way, guys, because time was so much gone and I was also tired, and The previous time I made chapatis, I told you that these other method normally consume a lot of time. So I wanted that one that will take the least time. And guys, in this house, circle-shaped chapatis is a scam. So don't worry about the shape. I don't know how to make round ones. Yeah, I don't know how to make a perfect shape, but bora tukule chapatis. Yeah, guys.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
In case you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you abundantly. Thank you for just sparing your time to just support me. I don't take it for granted. Special thanks to my Premier Gang and all my returnees. Thank you for always sparing the time to just come and catch up with my content. May God bless you. May God bless your families. And for those who have channels, may God lift your channels.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Bye bye, guys. Let me see you in my next one.